We're starting off clear and mild here in northeastern Kansas, as you can see from our Midland Exterior Sky Cam in downtown Topeka. Beautiful blue skies to start your morning. And from our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker, seeing some shower and storm activity in clouds moving off to our east. Your current temperatures right now are pretty mild for this time of day in the 60s and 70s. So you will want to grab that water bottle and wear those shorts and short sleeves if you're going out today, as it will feel humid with dew points in the 60s and even into the 70s. Current wind speeds are a little bit breezy as well, between around 5 and 15 miles per hour coming from that southeastward direction, while your current wind gusts are between around 5 and 15 miles per hour as well. I do want to give you that first alert that we do have a first alert weather day in place for a afternoon to evening and overnight storm risk as we go throughout today through Monday. And we do have that slight risk for much of the northern and north central part of our area in place for mainly hail and damaging wind gusts. However, along this slight corridor, I cannot rule out a tornado being possible, mainly after 5 p.m. And as we go into tomorrow, once again conditional tomorrow as well, we have that similar corridor of hail and damaging wind gust possibilities. And we also have that possibility of seeing maybe an isolated tornado as well, mainly after 4 p.m. But my main concern is Monday, as we are already in a day 3 enhanced risk, a 3 out of 5 risk at that, for the possibility of seeing all hazards, potentially some large violent tornadoes, potentially also large damaging hail and also damaging winds, and that will come in 2 rounds. So you will want to keep your eyes out on Monday for severe weather, as there is that high probability of seeing it. But currently from our Prairie Bank Casino and Resort live storm tracker, seeing clear skies once again in those storms moving off to the east. We will see the possibility of storm formation as the cap breaks as we go throughout our day. Confidence is a little higher today than tomorrow in storm formation, and we will see a line start to form, potentially having some tornadoes or maybe some damaging wind gust and hail embedded in them. And those will move through as we go throughout late this evening into the overnight hours, clearing out. Then by tomorrow, we could see the possibility of more storms developing. That cap could stay in place though, but as you can see, some clusters may develop as we go throughout the evening into the overnight hours before moving out once again. And then we will see cloud cover going into Monday morning before it dissipates quickly, and we could see some scattered supercell activity really start to form ahead of a cold front that will move through, and then that line on that cold front starts to form, bringing damaging wind gust and that hail threat as we go into the overnight hours into Tuesday. I also want to give you that first alert for near record warmth that we will see through Monday. Today's forecast 80s and 90s, and we will be partly sunny. As we go into tonight, 60s and 70s, and we will have that storm possibility. Then tomorrow, 80s and even into the 90s with partly sunny skies for most of the day, maybe having that cap held in place. Monday, 90s overall. We will see some daytime activity, and then that second round going into the evening. And as you can see, we have that first alert weather day in place through Monday, then a little bit cooler behind that cold front. Carson?